Good evening. Today the seeds that I had soaked and spread in the tubs, they had sprouted. One or two sprouts had come out. In this one also, I think one or two. There is some program in our neighborhood which I want to show you. This is a very old and big money plant of our house. Just look at the leaves. Those are so big and the roots are also big. This was today at the class. The student did not come, and whenever they do not come, I take a nice video and picture that they have remained absent.